Hello everybody, how are you? Warmly welcome back to Crochet Mart, very smart and unique ideas. We will share creative and inspiring tips for crocheting. Today's video is all about baby dresses. So we'll be going over some techniques to consider you to select the perfect design and color scheme for your baby crochet dress. Dear viewers, first of all, if you still not subscribe the channel, please subscribe it now. Press bell icon also to find such type of more unique and beautiful video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to share and like the video so that your friends also can watch such type of unique and beautiful video. Crocheting a baby dress offers numerous benefits, both for the creator and the receiver. Here are some benefits to consider. The first and the main one is personalized gift. Handmade baby dresses can be customized in color, size, and design, making them a special one-of-a-kind gift. Creative expression. Crocheting allows you to showcase your creativity and experiment with patterns, colors, and textures. Improved dexterity. The repetitive motion involved in crocheting can improve hand-eye coordination and fine motor skills. Stress relief. Crocheting can be a calming and therapeutic activity, helping to reduce stress and anxiety. Sense of accomplishment. Completing a crochet project like a baby dress provides a satisfying sense of achievement. Quality control. You can ensure the use of high quality soft and hypoallergenic yarn, which is especially important for a baby delicate skin. Bonding time. If you are crocheting for someone you care about, it's a meaningful way to connect and show your love. Eco-friendly. Using natural fibers or sustainable yarn option can make your crochet projects more eco-conscious. Economical. Making your own baby dress can be more affordable than buying one, especially if you already have crochet materials on hand. Teaching opportunity. Crocheting offers a chance to teach others, like friends or family members, a valuable skill. Dear viewers, if you really love to watch this video, don't forget to share and like so that your friends also can watch such type of unique and beautiful video. Custom fit. You can crochet a baby dress that's tailored to the exact measurements of the baby, ensuring comfort. Skill development. Crocheting helps improve your concentrations and problem-solving skill as you follow patterns and adjust your work. Perfect for gifts. A handmade baby dress is a thoughtful and cherished gift for baby showers on first birthday. Durable and long-lasting. Crochet work can be incredibly durable, meaning the dress can be passed down or kept as a keepsake. Variety of style. Crochet can be used to create different styles of dresses, from simple to intricate, for various occasions. Thank you very much for watching our videos. Bye bye.